let me go to Scott first. How do you approach that when you're solving, what is the business problem you're trying to solve?
Well, and I'm going to kind of piggyback off of what Mark said during his introduction. Clients will tell you what they want, but that may or may not be what they need. So completely trying to understand what the problem is, what they're trying to accomplish and why. We can typically come up with a solution different, better than what they've asked for. And that's kind of been, our focus is not just doing what clients ask for, but how to solve their actual problems, which typically aren't the same. And when you're able to do that, again, they're going to want to continue to work with you, because it's not just, doing what I've asked for, kind of getting deeper into, what the real problem is. I think that's been the key.